What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today I wanted to turn one of the blanks that I made. It's a pen blank cast in clear Alumilite. I put cutoffs from other pens in the clear Alumilite. This might turn out really nice. This might turn out terribly. I have no idea. Let's go find out. All right guys, so here's the new blank after I poured the resin in. This wasn't supposed to be a casting video. This wasn't supposed to turn into a casting video, but unfortunately it did. So, my idea is that at some point I'll put this back on the lathe, I'll turn it down, I'll still have the clear sections, and then that place where I had the blowout would be filled in resin. So that's my hope. That might be a future video, that might not be a future video, I'm not really sure. It probably will be, but I don't know when. Just a reminder, I do have the pen series coming up, so that will be a lot of fun. I will be featuring a new product. Starbond CA sent me some glue to try out, so I'm gonna try it out on a few pens. I'll give you my first impressions, do a small review of it, and see where it goes from there. Next week I'll have my shop update. Be sure to check that out, and then the week after that, that's when the pen series will start. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of those videos. If you like this video, subscribe, comment on the video, give it the thumbs up, share the video. We'll see you guys next time.